GM, great morning everyone. The color is green and that is what we want to see. October is the month and it's gonna be a party month for crypto, for all our altcoins, and we are killing it. It's not like everything is green and we're not making money. We are actually killing it. Bitcoin right now is breaking above the resistance. You can see how there was a massive trend line and Bitcoin went down on 25th of September and that reclaimed super quickly, and since then it has gone up from 108k and now sitting at around 118.5k. That's a 9% move on Bitcoin, which is quite amazing. Now what we want to see is some consolidation at this level and then boom towards the upside, guys. But we're not longing Bitcoin. Obviously, we're longing altcoins, and that is what we are doing. I gave the pump trade and pump trade absolutely went amazing. After that, no, not only on Discord, I also gave this trade on Twitter and the Twitter fam was eating pretty nicely. This is amazing. That is what we want to do in the risk on markets. And in this video, I've got 4 trades for you. All these are leverage trades. All these are current narratives and are perfect when it comes to technical analysis. Guys, what you need to do is stick with me for less than 8 minutes. Like the video if you actually like the content, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and without wasting any time, let's go. Guys, October is here and everyone was waiting for it. Everyone was waiting for October as well as Q4. Everything is here now. We should be bullish. Why? Because the average returns in October is 21.89%. The majority of Octobers have been bullish as well. If you look at the data, then whenever Bitcoin closed September green, we have seen Bitcoin giving an average return of 51% in Q4. 51% in Q4 for Bitcoin. If that happens, then altcoins are moving 3x, 4x and 5x is the best ones. We have to be in the right side of the trade. Also, we know that the volatility right now on Bitcoin is at the lowest level. We can see that via Bollinger Band width, which is sitting at the lowest and extreme fear category. What does it mean? It means that we are in the low volatility period, but it also means that a tight Bollinger Band suggests that an increase in volatility and larger price movement in one direction are likely to occur. And it will. Not only because we are in October, not only because of the Q4, but also because of Fed rate cuts and also because of the shutdown, which is here. Shutdown is happening right now. We are in the second day of shutdown, and shutdown is actually a positive catalyst for the markets. Don't be scared. Don't be scared about the shutdown, guys. You can see these vertical lines, the orange lines are actually government shutdowns, and price does not really care. The price has actually gone up. I'm going to show you by numbers as well. So here you go. Now, this is an amazing tweet from Kobisi later, who says that the media is not covering these things because media only wants to spread fear. And we are here for you to give perfect information, proper information, which is going to be actionable in the markets. The average length of a shutdown is only 8 days. Literal. The S&P has ended higher 1 year after shutdown in 86% of the cases. The S&P posts an average gain of 13% 1 year after the shutdown ends. Isn't that bullish? During the 35-day shutdown in 2018, S&P rallied 11%. Guys, boof. So that means that the shutdowns are not bearish for the markets. Now, things are going to happen. For example, there will be impact on the economic data. You won't be getting economic data like jobless claims, non-farm payroll, CPI and PPI, retail sales. It doesn't really matter. We only, we're looking at those information to make sure that there are stop losses which are not getting hit. And now we won't get that information for, let's say, what, 2 weeks? That is okay. Not a big deal. Polymarket has odds, and Polymarket is usually very accurate when it comes to these kind of things. Now, there's a 34% chance of US government shutdown and it will end by October 15 or later. So this will keep on increasing, and Polymarkets are going to tell us. Again, another reason why I believe that shutdowns are not bearish is because of EMH, efficient market hypothesis. The markets usually digest all these things before the news comes in because it's a known information. So I'm not scared about it. I'm actually not scared about it. I'm just looking at trades, and I've got trades for you. In the next 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to give you 3 to 4 trades. And guys, you need to stick around for these trades, literally. First is Pump.fun. I'm going to give you the levels, but look at this chart. Look at this beautiful, beautiful chart, right? You see it, right? You see this level 0.0053, which is 5.3 billion market cap level over here. You see it on 30th September, right? I'm going to take you somewhere. I'm going to take you to Discord let it load, obviously, on 30th of September, and I'm going to show you how I posted this chart. And I was like, the right shoulder is forming on pump. And here you go. Since then, you have seen a return of 21.3% on spot. Actually quite amazing. I'm going to give you the trade, guys. But first, let me take you to the metrics. Now, why did it pump? Because Kathy Wood and some other people came in and said that, this pump streaming narrative is going to be massive. It's going to be one of the best SocialFi project, structure, or initiative that crypto has ever seen. And I believe that as well. Until the time they fail, but their metrics have been amazing. Their buybacks, their revenue, everything has been excellent. They've got the money to do literally anything, which is why price is super sensitive. And whenever the price comes down, people are buying like crazy. Big people talking about it. If you want to bet on meme coins returning, Pump is probably the best RR play. Can still perform well without another meme season. Also benefits from the reflexity of meme season if it happens. So meme season, yes or no, does not really matter. Pump is gonna pump. And I've got levels for you guys. The level is simple. You are gonna be breaking or putting a limit order here at this level. And the level for you is 6.1 bill market cap. Now, what's going to be the stop loss? Stop loss has to be below this low. Below this low. Now, you can treat it as an inverse head and shoulder. Look, this is an inverse head and shoulder on technical analysis basis. And the trend line, the downward trend line has also been broken. So if the price comes down and consolidates a little bit, you can add to your position, you can add to spot as well, because that's going to be a 40% discount on this beautiful token. I'm going to be adding, I'm going to be taking a trade, I'm going to be telling it on Twitter and Discord. I already told you guys here. The market is dumping right now a little bit. So guys, make sure that you take advantage of this dip. Now, let's move to the second one. The second token I've got is Solana. So yeah, it's an L1. Not something very degen, obviously. I've got some more tokens for you, 2 more tokens for you. But understand, guys, strong day for RegShares Solana staking ETF with 18.3 million flows. It's actually, the inflows are actually coming in. The main spot ETFs are still not here. They're going to be here in October. The DATs are coming in. The staking ETF is getting inflows. The metrics are getting better and better for Solana. Total stablecoin on Solana surpasses 15 billion for the first time in history. It's absolutely insane. In September, Solana, over 760 million worth of assets bridged from other chains to Solana, including 420 mil from Ethereum alone. What else do you want? You want a level. And the level, in my opinion, is have a dip, consolidate, and move towards the upside. This, in my opinion, is the level to long Solana. I am looking at 214 to 215 level, and that is going to be my trade, the leverage trade. Guys, make sure that you understand that everything here is for educational purposes. Nothing here is financial advice. You should be doing your own research before taking any trades. Yes. So 5 to 6% stop loss, that is what I'm going to be doing for this trade. And I believe that it's going up. Why? Because it's good technically as well as fundamentally. There is a narrative right now. We've got Q4, we've got rate cuts, we've got the shutdown. No bad news. The bad news actually converted into good news, which was the shutdown. So what else do you want, right? Next thing, the next chart I've got for you is Astra. Super quickly, I'm going to go through this one because it's one of the best ones. It is below the trendline resistance. You can see how this is a major resistance, and now the price is reaching that level again. It has to break out and give me something like this to be bullish, or come back down and give something like this to be bullish. So either I'm going to be buying here at 1.5, or I'm going to be waiting for a breakout retest and I'm going to be buying here at 1.7. Whatever happens, as a trader, you need to be ready for whatever happens in the market. Now guys, people are talking about, oh, Astra is dead, it's showing wash trading volume, but yeah, they are doing things. It's backed by Binance. They are doing things. They've got stocks as well now. I know it's not better than hype, obviously, but they can coexist. Mr. Beast buying Astra. Does it mean anything? Not really. I don't care about Mr. Beast buying Astra. All I care about is how the chart is looking. All I care about is who is backing it. All I care about is the mindshare and narrative there or not. And Astra has all of it right now. Astra has got the mindshare. Astra has got the narrative. Astra has got the backing. The chart looks amazing. You should be trading it. And I've given you the levels. The final chart I want to show you is setup. This is proper undervalued in my opinion. It's sitting at the lows right now. Actually gave a deviation as well. The level for me to long is simple, quite simple. I want to long this thing here. When it comes back down, I want to long this over here at 0.39-ish, and that's going to be my spot entry. So I've given you 3 leverage trades, but this is a spot trade for you. 3 leverage trades were Solana, Pump.fun, and ASTER. But Setup is a spot trade for you. Setup has done a lot of things. If you look how Q3 ended for or wrapped up for Maple, you can see how 4 bill TVL hitting the target 1 quarter ahead for schedule. They had a schedule, they had a target, and it's hitting 1 quarter before, which is absolutely amazing. Consecutive all-time high revenue closing Q3 at 1.5 mil, which is a growth of 265% year to date. 200 mil filled with plasma integration. Now there is so much more happening. There is so much more happening in terms of metrics with Setup that you cannot miss, right? There is a proper thesis behind this. Maple Finance has continued to show incredible growth across 2025, commanding 4.18 billion TVL with a 1.65 bill outstanding loan book. The earnings are more than 1.3 million per month, annualizing 15.6 million. The metrics are quite amazing, guys, but the price is literally at the bottom. This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see in crypto. When something is fundamentally so good, but technically it's flawed, or the chart is looking really bad, or the chart is looking extremely good, something like that. You know, you always want to have those asymmetric bets. You can't be in that line. You have to have either the best ones or the worst ones. That is how you trade.